When designing a house in Marathahalli, Bangalore, it is essential to pay attention to the ventilation design. Proper ventilation plays a crucial role in maintaining a comfortable and healthy indoor environment. It allows fresh air to circulate, removes pollutants and odors, and helps regulate temperature and humidity levels. Scon Design India Private Ltd, a leading architectural design firm, specializes in creating efficient ventilation systems for houses in Marathahalli and other areas of Bangalore. The ventilation design for a house in Marathahalli should take into consideration the local climate, the size and layout of the house, and the specific needs of the occupants. Scon Design India Private Ltd understands the unique challenges of designing for the Bangalore climate, which can be hot and humid for most of the year. Their team of experts carefully assesses factors such as the direction of prevailing winds, the location of windows and doors, and the use of shading devices to maximize natural ventilation. In addition to natural ventilation, Scon Design India Private Ltd also incorporates mechanical ventilation systems where needed. These systems ensure a continuous supply of fresh air and help remove stale air from areas that may have limited natural airflow. Mechanical ventilation systems can include exhaust fans in bathrooms and kitchens, as well as whole-house ventilation systems that use fans and ductwork to distribute fresh air throughout the house. Scon Design India Private Ltd understands that ventilation design is not just about airflow, but also about maintaining indoor air quality. They employ various strategies to reduce pollutants and improve air quality in houses in Marathahalli. This may include the use of air filters to remove dust and allergens, proper sealing of windows and doors to prevent outdoor pollutants from entering, and the incorporation of materials and finishes that are low in volatile organic compounds, VOCs. When it comes to designing a house, one of the crucial aspects that should never be overlooked is ventilation. Proper ventilation design for a house in Marathahalli, Bangalore is essential to ensure a comfortable and healthy living environment. Scon Design India Private Ltd understands the significance of ventilation and specializes in providing innovative solutions for creating well-ventilated homes. Ventilation plays a vital role in maintaining indoor air quality and preventing the buildup of pollutants, moisture, and stale air. A well-ventilated house allows for proper circulation of fresh air, which helps in reducing the risk of respiratory problems, allergies, and other health issues. It also helps in controlling humidity levels, preventing the growth of mold and mildew, and eliminating odors. Scon Design India Private Ltd recognizes that every house has unique ventilation requirements based on its size, layout, and location. Their team of experts analyzes these factors and designs custom